Oh my gosh, it actually worked. The 12-month Netflix subscription has been added. This is insane, guys. This is so cool. Look, the video quality is up to 4K. Simultaneous streams 4 devices at a time. Download speeds of 8 devices at a time. So nice, guys. So this is so cool. I can't believe it actually works. Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Netflix for free. So I'm going to show you a website. So get on your phone and go to the website ogcoupons.com. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here. So this is the website. So once you're on the site, guys, what we're going to do is look for Netflix because they offer codes to get Netflix for free for 12 months. So I'm going to go ahead and look for it. And as you can see, guys, there is the Netflix right there. But I'm going to go ahead and press the button that says get code. And then I'm going to go ahead and press the button that says show coupon code. And before we can actually get the code, guys, what we have to do is wait for it to load. So as you can see, guys, it's loading right now. So let's just give it a second. So it says checking validity. So anyway, guys, now we're going to go ahead and press the button that says get full code. And it's going to take us over to the last step, which is the verification. So basically what we have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, guys, we got all these apps. So we're just going to download them. So I'm going to do Lumo VPN. So it's going to take me to the app store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So let me just go ahead and go back. So for the second app, I'm going to do Evertail. This one's a game, so I just got to play through it, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and go to the home screen, and the VPN's already done, so I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. All right, so I'm just running it right here, pretty easy. So let me just do this, as you can see. All right, so I'm just running it right here. So you know what, guys, I think we're pretty much done with this one. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and do the other app, which is the Travel Town. That one is a game, the Evertail. So I'm just going to go ahead and run it right here, as you can see, just doing some basic interactions. So let's just wait for it to load. As you can see, all right, so I'm just going to wait for it to load up. I'm just going to go ahead and play through this right here. As you can see, all right, so I'm just going to run it. So we'll just give it a second for this to load up, as you can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, as you can see. So yeah, let's just play through this. So honestly, I think we're pretty much done with this one, guys. So let's see if we got the free Netflix, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the home screen, and let's see if it works. So we should be able to go back onto the website and get the code. So let's go back and see if the code is there. And no. Oh, it works. So I'm going to put this in to Netflix, and let's see if it actually works. So let me just go ahead and enter that right here just so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this in. So let's just go ahead and do that just so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to put in the code, and let's see if it works, guys. So I'm just going to type this right here, as you can see. All right, so just put that in. All right, let's just go ahead and enter that, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it in, and let's see if this actually works. Oh my gosh, success. Subscription activated. So be sure to try this out, guys. It actually works. So if you guys want to get the free Netflix, this is how to do it, guys. Fully working method. Oh my gosh, this is actually working, guys. Be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you later. Peace out.